Okay, so here's the last thing we're going to learn how to do. We're going to learn how to calculate z-scores. And so my two questions is find the z-score for Allie and find the z-score for Levi. So we're going to go back over to our sheet so we can find who those people are. And you can see that Allie is over here. So she got a 78, and Levi got a 91. So let me highlight those two people so I don't forget where they're at. So just fill that in, and Levi and Allie. So they're filled in. Okay, so here's how you calculate z-scores. So let's go back to the screen real quick. A z-score is the, keep forgetting the I pen, the x of I, so the element that you're talking about, minus the mean over the standard deviation. So again, it's the x of I minus the mean all over the standard deviation. So the first thing we're going to look is we're going to find our x sub I, which is 78 for Allie's case. So that was 78 all over, well, we'll find the mean in a second and the standard deviation in a second. And Levi's was 91. So let's go back and calculate these really quick. In Excel, it's very, very easy to calculate these two things. So, okay, so I have those two boxes now. Calculate the mean. All you have to do is equals average, if I could spell. You'll take all of those and you'll just hit enter. So our average or mean is 81, and for standard deviation it's also easy. We just type STDEV. Take all of those. And there's our standard deviation. To make this calculation easier, we're going to round this to about 10. So we're just going to say, that looks close to 10. So when we go back here, we'd say 81 divided by 10. And for this one, again, yeah, our mean's 81, and this is 10. So we can figure out what these would equal. Well, 78 minus 81 is 3. Divided by 10 would be just 0.3. And then 91 minus 81 would be 10, and 10 divided by 10 would be 1. This calculation, because it's your point subtracted from your mean divided by your standard deviation, kind of tells you how many standard deviations it is away from the mean. So this is 0.3 standard deviations away from the mean, and this point is 1 standard deviation above the mean. And so we're going to kind of work with and see today what that really means. So try to answer the questions on that last sheet for the standard deviation section.